I got Vaughn's 62 T-Bird, changing the radius arm bushings. Get up in there. Start to take the bushing. Kind of unbolt it from underneath there, from the control arm. Now before all this, get the cotter pin out, get the nut out, that first washer. Been working on this for a little bit. The brake hose on the passenger side here is being a little butt old, rusted. So I got some PB blasters sitting on it so I can break it loose. Let's see. Shown before. All new bushings, stuff. Yeah. So yeah, quick little update there. I'll show you the aftermath of everything. New bushings. I gotta do this side too, but I'm doing one side at a time. All right, guys. Got the strut brace out. Strut rod, sorry. Old ones. That goes in the front where I took the nut off. Comes out. It's got a little spacer thing in it. Okay. So take this stuff off. New stuff. Put this guy in there. Maybe. Little bit of loop. All over the place, huh, today? That. Get on there. Now, take it. Like this. Taking the whole Stewart. Something like that. We'll get that bolted back up. Let's see. I'm gonna do that piece. This piece here. This holds it in. Like that. We're gonna have to get it. You. Just like that. Get this piece in. Anyway, get the point. Yep. We'll get the other bushing in here, get the nut on it, and have it all bolted up. I'll get back to you guys in a little bit when I get the other side done so I can show the finished product, and I can go back to that brake hose there. All right, guys, get back to you in a minute.